Nanobabaw kabalen, si Luito. And today, tara sa isang hidden gem dito sa Angeles City. Ito ang Busan BBQ Grill. Guys, parang nasa Korean drama set tayo dito. Located nga pala dito sa second floor ng Times Hotel Building along Phil-Am Friendship Highway, Angeles City. Ang operating hours nila is from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. So pwede ang breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay, so eto na yung beef combo set nila. Look at this. May marinated beef short ribs, grilled beef short ribs, thin sliced brisket, tapos may galbitang soup, vegetables, egg soup, at daejang soup. Kompleto talaga. Special treat, pinakita nila sa amin kung paano nila niluluto yung premium beef. Guys, 100% legit premium meat to. Pwede nyo i-grill mismo o tutulong yung staff. Sige, tikman na natin. Wow! Sobrang tender at flavorful. Pero personally, favorite ko tong beef soup with noodles. Ang sarap ng broth at sobrang tender pa ng meat. By the way, kung magche-check-in kayo dito sa Times Hotel, may 10% discount kayo dito sa Busan BBQ Grill. After ninyong kumain, puntahan nyo rin yung cafe sa lobby for coffee and pastries. Definitely, babalik kami dito. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba? Drop your comments below.